Good afternoon, good morning, or good evening, depending on when you're looking at this. Today we're going to be talking about Japan, and I talked a little bit about it in our Google Meet. First off, we want to remind you to please send something to Miss Flores telling Mrs. Reynolds Happy Principal's Day. And Principal's Day is May 1st, this is Friday. And then little 6-year-old Chucky wants to remind you that we have a Google meeting at 2 p.m. on the Social Studies Google Meet. Okay, so Japan is an archipelago, which I don't know if I said that right or not. I've been struggling with that word for the last 50 years. Okay, and it means that it's a chain of islands. It's not one island. A lot of people assume that Japan is just one island, but it's a chain of islands, thousands of islands. The Pacific is to the east of the island, so the sun rises from the east, and the Japanese people believe that the sun rose first in their land. So the Japanese call their land Nippon, which means land of the rising sun, which is why they have their flag. Rising sun. Japan has a lot of earthquakes. Um, I already told you it has thousands of islands. The largest island is about the size of California. The most northern islands have heavy snows, and the most southern islands have like a tropical climate, like a tropical rainforest. There's ridge mountains that run north to south, and the largest mountain is Mount Fuji, which is a very important symbol for the Japanese people. Um, Less than 15% of Japan can be farmed, so seafood makes up the diet. And because Japan is on what's called the Ring of Fire, which is a volcanic um, ring of plates in the Pacific Ocean, it can suffer volcanoes and earthquakes. And Japan suffers many earthquakes. A lot of them are small, but they can have the huge ones. And you remember the one from a couple of years ago that really devastated the country. So the first people to get to Japan were the Jemon, and they're known for their pottery. Then the Yayoi came along about 250 BC and drove off the Jemon or either intermarried with them. And these people are known for their cloth and their bronze work. They also introduced rice to Japan, so now the Japanese diet is not just seafood, but it's rice. And from the 200s to the 400s, the Yamato clan took over because they had swords, horses, bows, and arrows. And they didn't just kill people and just take over. They also formed alliances with clans through marriages. Um, so every clan has what's called a kin, which is like a spirit. It can be an ancestor. It can be a thing in nature. It can be some type of goddess. Okay, and the Yamato believe that they are descended from the sun goddess. Now, the Yamato is the world's oldest ruling family. So the emperor today in Japan is descendant from the early Yamato. Um, and one of the important Yamatos was Prince Shotoku. He was not the emperor. He was like the guy that was running the country for his aunt. So he had to unify Japan, and so he had to give power away from the clan leaders. So the way he did that first was through Buddhism. So people began practicing Buddhism instead of um, worshiping the kami, their spirit. And then he brought in Confucianism, which also reduced the power of the clan because it organized everything. And then he wrote a Constitution of 17 Articles. Now, the Constitution of 17 Articles is not a form of government. What the Constitution does is it sets out moral behavior for people. So, Japan is strongly influenced by its neighbors, which is right across the Sea of Japan, which would be Korea and China. Korea, of course, brought Buddhism to Japan. And China brought the official system. We've been reading about the scholars and how have the civil service and that type of thing. And so that was influenced in Japan. Also, the writing system came from Japan. So it came from China. Sorry about that. So before that, they didn't have a writing system. So there we have the new emperor. He just got installed not long ago. Um, so our CNN 10 question is, who was the last man to walk on the moon? Now, our second question is, what is Japan, an island or archipelago? What natural disaster happens a lot in Japan? How did Yamato build their empire? And what did Japan borrow from China? Okay, have a great day. Don't forget to send me my answers.